Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, which you most probably are, hi, my name is Ruth, and in this channel I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything about art, design, and DIYs. And today I'm very excited to be sharing with you guys some easy and simple boho Christmas ornaments that you can make at your own home using materials that you probably already have. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so for the first ornament, all you're gonna need are some clear plastic ornaments, some acrylic paint of your choice, some paint brushes, and some baking soda. So first things first, you're gonna put some paint on a paper plate or whatever surface you have and add some baking soda to it. You can see here I put a little bit too much, and you'll see what will happen if you put too much baking soda. It doesn't apply. So I went ahead and added some more paint and mixed that up and reapply to the ornament. And yep, it applies so much better. So you just keep on painting until the ornament is fully covered in paint, and that is your first layer. After that, I just went ahead and did the same for this beautiful sage green colored one and an off-white colored one. After that, I just went ahead and let these dry for about 15 minutes, and as you can see here, I don't have anything to put them on, so I just put them on essential oil bottles. Hey, it works. After about 15 minutes and these dry perfectly, I just went ahead and put another coat of paint until they are fully opaque. Next, you just put the cap back on, and there you have it. Some beautiful ornaments that looks like ceramic, but they're just painted. For our second ornament, we're going to need some macramé. I have here the 3mm one, some scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, some actual tape, and a hair comb and tweezers. First, you're going to need to cut 12 pieces of 10-inch macramé, a 48-inch piece, and a 6-inch piece, which you're going to turn into a loop. I just use super glue here. And you can use wooden hoops or anything you can buy in the store, but I just don't have any at hand, so I need to improvise. So first we're gonna take our 10-inch macrame and we're gonna do a lark's head knot. So taking our 10-inch piece, we're gonna fold it in half and put the looped end under the circle and pull it over and put the two ends of the strands through the loop and tighten. And we're going to do this throughout the entire circle. After that's done, we're going to take our long piece of macrame and fold it in half and take the looped end and just adjust it to fit the circle that we have, just like that. It's easier if you guys just see it. And we're gonna tape one end to the table or whatever surface you have, and this is just gonna ensure that it's not gonna move anywhere when we do our knots. After that, we're just gonna take our long piece of macrame that isn't taped and we're gonna double knot with the short pieces of macrame around the circle. So we're just gonna take our short piece and put it under the long piece and through the loop. And we're just gonna repeat this step around the circle until we have tied all the short ends. Once we've come back around the circle, we're just going to take our scissors and cut the short pieces to about the same length to each other. Next, we're going to use our tweezers to just pull apart the strands, and it's just going to come off really easily. After that's done, I just went ahead and used my hair comb to comb off the edges just to make it look more full. And I'm gonna use my scissors to just cut off the edges to make somewhat of a clean circle. Lastly, I'm just gonna take the long piece of macrame and loop it around itself, tying a knot twice, maybe 3 times, just to secure it, and that's gonna be the hanging piece for our ornament. And don't forget to cut off the excess. For our third and last DIY ornament, we're just gonna need some macrame, some cotton twine, and some cinnamon sticks. So first things first, we're just gonna cut 4 36 inches macrame and 2 30 inches macrame. And next we're gonna take all 6 pieces of macrame on one end and use some cotton twine to secure them together. So after this, we're just going to move over to a hook anywhere on the wall because it's easier to do it this way. And we're going to take our 2 right strands and pull it over the middle strand, and take your left strands and pull it over and under and through the loop. And that's a right facing half knot. So we're going to take our 2 right strands and pull it over the middle, and take your left strands and pull it over and in between the 2 parts, under and through the loop, and pull to tighten. We're just going to repeat this step until we reach the end. So after that, we're just going to use some cotton twine to wrap around the bottom part of our macrame to secure it. And don't forget to cut off the excess. And after that, we're just going to loop around our macrame and tie around the edges. Taking our cinnamon stick, we're gonna again use some more cotton twine and tie a knot around our cinnamon stick, and we're gonna attach this to our macrame piece by tying more knots around the macrame, just like so. Last but not least, this is probably the most important part in a hanging ornament, the hanging part. We're gonna take some more cotton twine and we're gonna use the lark's head knot and loop it around our macrame to create our hanging piece for our ornament.
Alright, that is everything I have for you guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and please leave a comment down below which one's your favorite, and if you end up making any of these ornaments, please let me know down below. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends and maybe make some Christmas ornaments together. That'd be fun, right? Alright, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.